pick two. Pick two on your side.
Sniper.
Sniper.
Who's right guard? Just
took the left.
Yay.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Alright, pick two. We have gold. Pick two.
Next, pick two. Alright,
Yeah, but they have the bush people.
Dude, but they're fine.
Or actually pick three.
Three?
That's all I saw.
Three.
And are you playing?
They're together.
They're together?
I am now your sworn enemy.
I didn't know you were there. I didn't know you were there.
First one stay over here. Very good. I know your division tap. I know your division tap. They're pretty cool.
Yeah.
Sniper over there's on tap, right?
Be that way. I'm going to turn mine off then.
Alright, since they pick first, what side do you guys want?
Okay.
What side do you guys want? I don't care.
Never played this map.
Never played this map either.
The other side.
Dude, this side.
I haven't played this map.
That other side. That other side then.
I didn't know
Alright,
this
you want the
existed
long
until
side?
now.
Sure.
Alright, they got the lock. Hey, you guys are over here, alright? They're taking the lock. Oh my god. You legitimately just punched my phone.
You're dead.
Where did you say fuck?
You're dead.
Dude, this is a giant team.
Thank you guys.
3 guys could hold that entire force from that base.
I like your UAR.
You got to Zach and Nick got to go on this side, and then you go on that side. Or we can hold back. Or you and Zach should
I'm
go.
having problems with the hop-up right now.
Yeah. Zach. Zach, you and Hunter are moving up. Alright.
I got the base.
Yeah, you guys are rushing these.
Base security.
I'm gonna camp. You guys play this map? No way I'm walking.
Small ass map, dude.
They've all played this map.
We got to stay out here till they call us.
Have you played this map?
Oh yeah, this is the fucking best map of the whole place.
Really?
Yeah, there's
Close map.
lots of nice forests. You can move quickly through there. Up here you could go along this whole ridge line, but you got to be small and fast.
What's
And
map
this
called?
base could be held by 2 people against 20.
What's this map called?
This is Sandbags.
Oh.
People always want to play maze. Last Sunday I brought a bunch of guys back here. 20 of them never want to play maze anymore.
Let's make a little plan. I mean,
I got base security. If you give me one other guy, we can hold this base all day.
All 3 guys go that way.
yeah, we'll go this way. Oh shit.
Right behind you.
I don't think they said start. Right for it! Yeah, they did. Right there! Right there! Nick, you gotta call them. You can't say right there. I don't know what's right there.
12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, what? What o'clock?
Oh wait, that's...
You should be in the bushes right over there. Go around this back way, right over there, and when they sneak through, use your ghillie suit.
Yeah, that's them. Right for us. They're walking to the side. Walking on the right side. 3 o'clock. Hey, that's far right, far right. 3 o'clock. That's one of the other dudes.
Move it up! We got people on the left, guarding left. Somebody watching left.
You ever play airsoft before? Yeah, I have. Got a pretty nice gun for it. Where are they? Get them. Where are they? I'm not running over there unless I know where they are, man.
Good idea. Get that flank secured. Somebody watch left. Is there anybody on the ridge? Somebody run up on the edge of that ridge on the left.
One of them's moving back.
Because they got barraged when they attacked us.
Yeah, really. What did you want us to do? Up on the ridge?
He's got one up on the ridge already, right?
Yeah.
It looks like one's moving up the middle.
How many are on the ridge in total? Should be at least 2.
Yeah. 51.
Okay, who's got good camis?
Good what?
Camouflage.
Me.
You?
Yeah.
Go around with these flankers over here, and as soon as those 2 snipers in the ghillie suits are set up there, you move forward. Flush them out. Try not to get killed too quick.
Alright, you want me to go with that other kid that's camouflaged just like me?
Go around this way and then go in.
Alright, cool.
I don't know what they're shooting at in there, but we ain't even in there. Anybody coming up the middle?
There's one, at least.
Where is he?
Right side, about the middle of the map.
Behind the telephone poles?
One more. The one behind it, I think.
So that's a maybe.
From that side, would it be a bad idea for me to run up to the west most flanker?
Who's fast? Who's fast out of you 3?
Well, I'm not super fast.
You think you can make it to that barricade right on the right?
Yeah.
If you get to that barricade on the right, face right.
Something left
Hey man, do we have
See that one right there? On the right?
The plywood?
Do we have
Yeah.
lights, do you know?
There's people there, though.
What do you mean there's people there?
There's one right.
On the other side, use it as your cover.
Right tire.
Oh shit. Do we have lights? I don't know. Damn it.
I don't know.
Okay, do you see the guy in the... I got one, back right tires. Do you see the guy in the woods? Leave your hands off. No, those people are out.
We got one respawn. They're all coming from the right. All of them. So far to the left, because that's what they did.
We still got somebody on the top left ridge? So we don't get outflanked?
Hey, watch your right. Keep your head low.
There he is.
Bro.
Where is he? Left or right?
Oh, I see him. I
Center.
see him.
My 12 o'clock. Behind that tree now.
Colby, I see him. Come here.
Oh, okay.
Watch out behind you, Zach. Are they coming? No. There he is. There he is.
Left
Oh, he's
flank.
behind the big tire that way.
Guy on the left flank's yelling.
Left flank?
Oh shit. All right, Nick's dead. They're right there.
Send a replacement right.
Hey, they're coming up from right there. Hey, they're coming up
One of
from
them's moving
behind.
back. 12, my 12.
Bro, what? Get the hell out of the way! Maybe raise your hand, man. No, you gotta raise your hand the whole entire time and then shot again. Hey, hey,
Directly in front.
Nick, you got one
Right in front
football
of you.
all over the way. Nick, you gotta respawn.
Relatively far back.
Colby, let's hold him right here. No,
I'm going to.
they're trying to lay low.
I saw him. I saw two of them.
I shot 3 people. I got 3 hits.
You got them both over there? You got 3 of them over there? Well, then it should be all good.
I got the dude in the white shirt out.
I got 1 dude.
And, no, I got 2.
I got 1.
Pay attention.
Yeah.
Who's right now? We gotta have somebody on the right flank or they're gonna outflank us. I know we got a guy that just got killed there.
They're coming from behind now.
Yep, go in the back and go to right.
Oh.
Right!
Hold on, anything.
Putting your hands in the air. Alright, shooting you again.
I'm shooting you again.
Hands in the air, American bitch. How many we got in here?
We got 1 behind us.
We got too many in here. 1 go right flank. Replace the dead guy. Come on, somebody go right flank. That's where they're going to come from.
Hey, right flank, behind us, like right behind you, man.
That's our guy, no?
He's popping up his head. Everyone keeps on thinking that it's snuffy.
Is that our guy?
Yeah, he's right behind us.
That's not friendly?
Bro, they just got me right in my glass. I wonder if he's coming for our face. We need to pop it up his head. You want to snap over there? Do you think you can snap his head? Do you think you can snap his head? Yep. No,
We're going to lose if you guys don't get somebody right. Right there! Suppressing fire! Get him! He's right back there!
You got 1 respawn, man. You got 1 respawn.
Right! He's right behind us! Right here! In the gully! Dude, do me a favor. Pick up that grenade on the way over. Got it? Good man. Now I won't shoot in you again.
Hey, hold! Fuck.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yell dead man walking.
Hold it, there's one right over here. Alright, keep compressing fire on. Hey man, is that your brother?
Yeah.
Is he right there next? Yeah. How many? 1. Look on. Is he big?
Listen, somebody go all the way right to that gully that I just shot the guy in. It's good cover. See it right there? 15 feet to your right. There's a little lake bed, river bed. Go in there.
I was in there, man.
Somebody else go in there. Come on.
Alright, Nick, you ready? There's a guy right in there.
I killed him.
Oh, you did? Alright, Nick, you ready? Let's move. Alright.
On the count of 3.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, go. Son of a bitch. Where is he?
Alright. Holy shit. Colby, you over there?
Creek bed again. Another one in the creek bed. They're surrounding us that way. We don't have a good bright flank. Don't tell me I didn't get you.
Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang.
Oh, good. Yeah, Matt. Where's our respawn? Here? Where's our respawn? Here?
Yeah, right there.
Right where? Right where you are?
Did you get hit?
Ah, fuck! Hit! My dead right here?
Hit. Keep on pushing.
Got me right in the butt. How many more?
I don't think there's any more. How many respawns do we have? You already died in respawns, man.
We already tapped it. We got 10 responders.
No.
Oh, my God, shoulder where I had the least effect. Okay. Hey, Zach!
What'd they say? If we don't get that right flank, we're dead.
I need some bullets. Can I use some? I don't know. Yeah.
Who banged me? You, Kyle?
Did you fall in the water too?
No, I missed it.
Did you bang me?
Yeah, I bet
Because I got shot just before you banged me, so I was already dead, yeah.
Yeah, and then I banged you, man.
I shot you.
You shot me? Again?
I shot you right in the face when you stood up.
Bro, I got like 3 of them in there. That was a bit chaotic.
Yeah.
Yo, we're camped in the back.
Fucking good. Well, you know, I mean, they had already rushed up.
Yeah.
Dude, the second you said go, I was like sprinting halfway there.
I got him for you, man.
Oh shit, I
Then
got my
I saw you
towel.
and you threw a grenade.
I like a screwdriver or a knife.
Hey, you know what would have stuck?
I saw.
Hey, guy with the do-rag on. You know what would have stuck?
Come on, walk with me, I gotta go all the way back.
You know what would have stuck though?
What?
The fact if you threw the grenade a little bit farther, it would have landed in like a 5-foot puddle.
Do you see where the second one landed? In the fucking tire right in front of me.
Dude, look.
And it delayed actions?
Water. Water. I fell in the water and I was like, fuck me. I was like, I hope my phone didn't fall in, and my phone is right here. I got shot in the forehead.
I gotta find the fucking pin for my hand grenade.